This is a half horsepower Dayton motor, an old one, a real old one. Got to change the rotation on it. This is a model C602C. It has 4 pins in the back. There's pin 1. That's pin 3 over here. They're tied together, and the black wire is going to them. And down here at the bottom, pin 2 and pin 4 over here, and they're tied together with the shorting bar, and the white wire is going to them. In order to change rotation, I have to take a look at this other wire that's coming out of the motor, going to pin 1. There's one up here, and it's looks like it's a brown wire. Down here on the bottom, there's a greenish blue wire, and it's going to the other pin on the bottom here, pin 2. I have to take one off the top here and put it at the bottom, and one off the bottom and put it on the top, and then put my white and black wires back. This brown wire here, excuse me, that brown one's going to the bottom, and then this one here is going to the top. I already swapped them, so. And if you want 220 volts, you have to tie together pin 3 and pin 2. So you take the shorting bar off the pin 1 and 3, and the shorting bar has to come off pin 2 and 4, and then put a shorting bar right here, pin 3 and pin 2. Tie them together, then your power input goes to pin 1 and pin 4 for 220 volts. And that's it. There's only 2 wires that go inside the motor. The other wires are coming from the electrical cord.